Welcome back, everybody. This is Liz from Homegrown Homestead, and today it's gardening and chickens. I always try and change my shoes when I'm going to work in the garden where it's all muddy, or even if I'm going to work with the chickens. You can hear my little Henry in there. Not sure what he wants. And then the day before, Russ emptied out the chicken coop. I usually end up shoveling it all, but he put where it's going to be a door. You'll see it when we go inside the coop. Right now it's just a covered up hole, and then he's easily able to get the dirty hemp out. Otherwise I'm always up there with the mask on because it gets really dusty, and I shovel it all out. So this really worked well. So I'm going to throw some lavender in there just to add to the niceness of the cleanliness. And we also put diatomaceous earth. Helps kill any bugs, pests, anything like that in there. A while ago, Russ put some grass clippings inside their outside run, and it was wonderful. They got the bugs and all that, but then we had all this rain, and it's just getting really icky. So I'm going to get a pitchfork, and I'm going to scoop a lot of that out because it's just too much. And then hopefully it gets sunny and windy and will help dry it out for the chickens. There's a place that keeps track of the rainfall around the country. So they sent me this rain gauge. It's actually very nice. And I report it whenever it rains. I try and be as accurate as possible and as quick as possible to report it. So I think it's kind of fun. I'm a fan of thunderstorms, and to do this, I get a kick out of it. Checking on my herbs. That's my parsley. It went to seed, and I ripped it off, the part that was going to go to seed, and now I kind of wish I didn't. And my thyme, and my rosemary, and my chives, and my dill, and then my Asiatic lilies that were here when we bought the house, and clematis. And then I went and got at the local greenhouse, Ebert's, very nice place, these double begonias. So I'm going to get those in the planter, and Henry hopefully stays out of trouble, which he did actually. different types of zinnias in my 3 big, oh, they're really just like buckets, but they're not buckets. They're hard to explain. Cow feed, I think it's cow feed. Something for cows comes in those, and farmers just have tons of them. So we get them for free, and that's actually what I planted our tomatoes in for the garden, because they're sturdy. They're good quality.
Back home to me, where rivers are running free, through valleys as far as the eye can see. I'll be waiting on you till you're in my arms, a place that you can call your home. Come back home to me.
So I save all my eggshells, and then I will spread them out on a cookie sheet with parchment paper, and I'll bake them in the oven. I think it's 350 for like 10 minutes. Kills any lasting icky parts. I don't want to say icky parts. I can't think of the word. Stuff that'll kill any germs. I just can't think of it. And then I will crush them, and I will give those to the chickens. That's great calcium to give right back to them.
Come back home to me.
After they've cooled, as you can see, then I just smash them up as small as I can go so they don't get stuck in the chicken's throat or beak. And it takes them maybe about 5 minutes to eat all this outside after I give it to them. But thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time. I'm not sure what the next video is going to have in it. Every day is something different, so enjoy yourselves. Have a great day. Bye.